Welcome to Techknowledge Guy, the channel where knowledge meets technology. If you're tired of scrolling through countless videos filled with shallow information and looking for a place that delivers real and meaningful knowledge, you've come to the right channel. Here we go beyond just scratching the surface. Whether it's mastering tools like MS Office, exploring the potential of Power BI, or diving into the essence of data-driven decision-making, every video is crafted to enhance your skills, broaden your understanding, and add true value to your expertise. Our goal is simple: to provide you with knowledge that empowers you, not just information, but practical, actionable insights that you can apply in your work and personal projects. So, if you're ready to grow, learn, and discover the power of real knowledge, hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey of learning and innovation. Please, also press the bell icon for all my future video notifications. Let's get started. Welcome to this introduction to Power Automate Desktop, a revolutionary tool from Microsoft that simplifies automation for everyone, no matter your level of technical expertise. Power Automate, as the name suggests, is a powerful tool designed to automate. It empowers us to streamline and eliminate mundane, repetitive tasks, making our workflows more efficient and productive. Here's what makes Power Automate Desktop stand out. It's a low-code tool, meaning you can automate tasks without needing advanced programming skills. It's designed to streamline repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time and effort. As part of the Power Platform ecosystem, it integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools like Excel, Outlook, and SharePoint. In this video, we'll explore how Power Automate Desktop can transform your workflows and boost productivity. Let's get started. Now, let's dive into the question: what can Power Automate Desktop do for you? Here are some of the incredible capabilities of this powerful tool. Automate repetitive tasks. Whether it's extracting data from files, processing large data sets, or performing multi-step tasks, Power Automate Desktop handles it all seamlessly. Integrate with desktop and web applications. It works with popular tools like Excel, Outlook, and browsers to create end-to-end workflows. Streamline business processes. From automating approvals to generating reports, it helps organizations save time and minimize errors. Extract data from PDFs and images. With built-in features like OCR, optical character recognition, you can turn unstructured data into usable information in no time. Empower users with low-code solutions. You don't need to be a programmer to create sophisticated workflows. Its drag-and-drop interface makes automation accessible to everyone. Whether you're looking to save time, increase accuracy, or unlock new efficiencies, Power Automate Desktop delivers unmatched value. Let's take a closer look at how it can work for you. So, why should you start using Power Automate Desktop today? Here's why this tool is a big game changer for both individuals and businesses. Number 1, saves time and boosts efficiency. Imagine eliminating hours of manual work by automating tasks that would take you all day. Power Automate Desktop handles complex workflows in minutes, giving you more time to focus on what truly matters. Number 2, ideal for repetitive, time-consuming tasks. Are you tired of performing the same tasks over and over? From data entry to file processing, this tool takes over mundane tasks, reducing errors and freeing up your energy for creative and strategic work. Number 3, free to use with Windows 10 Pro, Windows 11 Pro, or Enterprise. That's right. If you're using Windows 10 or 11 Pro or Enterprise, you already have access to this powerful tool at no additional cost. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure automation at your fingertips. Power Automate Desktop isn't just a tool, it's your partner in productivity. It's here to transform the way you work, helping you achieve more with less effort. Let's explore how to get started and see it in action. Let's take a moment to consider a tedious task: extracting images from PDF files. Now, imagine this. Your manager or senior hands you 2 or 3 PDF files and asks you to extract all the images from them within the next half hour. Just think about how time-consuming and exhausting that would be. Opening each file, hunting down every image, saving them one by one, what a hassle. But here's the good news. Thanks to Power Automate, it can handle this task effortlessly and efficiently. In this session, we'll create a fully demonstrative flow to tackle this exact scenario. Along the way, we'll explore Power Automate's powerful features, functionality, user interface, and overall capabilities.